Gotta take every chance you get after a night like last night.
Yes.
What are we thinking?
Because you guys are always on my ass. I mean my mind.
Cobra snake.
More to fucking ride. We're screwed.
What is that, bro?
Shoots flaming balls.
Morning, what's happening, man?
Clear-eyed. Your father and I went on a walk this morning.
Yeah.
Separately. I walked like 2 miles. He walked about 1.5 miles. This is how you keep drinking 28 tequila shots.
Feel pretty good. The weather's absolutely perfect. Tequila was weak. There is no hangover.
Day 3 on our trip to Sturgis. We're in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. We're about 1,000 miles into our trip. Feeling good today. Let's see if we can hydrate enough on this ride into Wyoming. Enough to, you know, do it again tonight.
Yes.
And we're gonna go visit that grave, but I'm pretty stoked. Weather's amazing, so ready to hit the road. What are we thinking?
We're here at the Daily Bread.
Dude, I'm feeling pancakes, but I'm not 100% sure. That might be too heavy.
I'm just thinking I need coffee.
Another one? You had one this morning,
You
dude.
can never have too many. I'm getting a shade spot. It's a vicious cycle. Coffee in the morning, alcohol at night. Vicious.
We'll tell you all
Cheers.
below.
Cheers, homie. Thank you.
No, this OG.
Color-wise, 8 out of 10. Fluffiness, it's pretty fluffy.
It's supposed to be egg white, but it's fine, no big deal. When you roll like I roll, you gotta eat a better diet.
Just mildly disappointed.
Boom, look at that baguette French toast, bro.
Egg whites this time.
I already told.
Okay.
They say yes, but I'm not sure.
No, not sure.
I'm going to tell.
Thank you. Yeah, I sent it back.
That's one extra whiskey tonight. If I get an egg white,
what?
you get
Okay.
egg white.
Everyone's done eating breakfast. Plates are done. Galen just got his egg whites.
I mean, did you see the difference? I love eggs. I just wanted egg whites this morning.
Butt dial.
My dad's in the bathroom and butt dials us.
Am I calling you guys to the bathroom? Because you guys are always on my ass. I mean my mind.
I'm gonna go drink some more water.
Nah, I think you're dropping the kids off at the Super Bowl. How was that, bro?
I feel 10 pounds lighter. Took a massive dump.
We're gonna go up to 18th or 13th Street. We're gonna go to Doc Holliday's grave. We're gonna check that out.
That's like 5 blocks different. So is it 18th or 13th?
But when we get 13th and then we don't see it, we'll go to 18th. So we'll cover
Oh,
the
what
ground.
about 14th, 15th, and 16th, and 17th?
We'll play those by ear. You never know. We might find a bar.
What's up, dude? You just take naps everywhere or what?
Homie, gotta take every chance you get after a night like last night. Concrete's cold.
So we're in Glenwood Springs and we found the North American bum laying on the sidewalk.
Juan always takes his sweet ass time getting ready.
Look who decided to show up.
Doc Holliday's grave. Here we are, Doc Holliday's grave. Check it out. Glenwood Cemetery. More or less, I'm worried about Juan's health making it up this hike right now.
Hear the heavy breathing. A little out of breath, not gonna lie. My fresh cakes are getting a little dirty. The guy that downstairs that said it wasn't half a mile, full of straight line.
Then you can get, so the backside here.
Was there any holidays named after him?
That was a little trek, I'm not gonna lie. I sweat all the way through breakfast because the young guys take the shade.
This place here, people are dying to get here.
Whoa.
Ba-dum-bum.
Dad jokes.
I mean, every day we've been on this trip, we've had a goal and we've always pushed beyond.
Yeah, so why don't we not even worry about how far we're trying to get? Let's just get on the road.
There you go. I like that.
We just checked out Doc Holliday's gravesite over here in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. About to head on the 70, head over to Boulder. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the Loveland Pass. Let's get it. just rode from Glenwood Springs.
It was crazy, a lot of temperature change. It got really cold. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Roads out of Cold Springs were amazing.
College town of Denver, brewery, and, get some burger and fries. Enjoy ourselves before we try to head up into Wyoming. Well, and I got a question.
What's that?
Is everything okay?
Everything's just fine.
That means yes. Come and drink a beer.
I mean, we have to follow the sign.
Because even if everything isn't okay, you still drink a beer. Glenwood Springs, like the next like 50 miles out of there, it's like the freeway's like a roller coaster. The other one next to you, and the river and the tunnels. We're in Boulder, Colorado for lunch. Juan has not stopped asking for the fireworks store. I told him that's once we get to Wyoming. We're gonna be in Wyoming before dinner, let's say that. Either way, we're gonna find fireworks and then we'll hit up into Wyoming. Closer to Sturgis, baby.
Gosh, everyone's on their phone.
To you and Instagram, so I'm working double time. Wow, Juan the taco guy.
Oh. Damn. Look at that. Right here.
Right.
Bomb. Get out, ride to random cities, and go have bomb food.
It was amazing. Honestly, it blew my expectations out of the water.
Stomach's gurgling. We just rode a bunch. I got more to fucking ride. I'm gonna fill my belly so I can handle more beer. I just loaded up on beer and burgers. I gotta have a coffee to make it to the next stop.
Okay, you guys had a picture. I just saw that there was a half a beer left in the glass on the table. Whose was that?
I drank 1.5.
So you left a half?
I left a half. Drank my half.
Because we can't leave beers on the table.
See, that's why I bring this guy around. I'm an Americano connoisseur.
See, it was murder.
So good.
Tastes like every other iced coffee I've ever had in my fucking life.
232 miles to Lusk, Wyoming. I think I got like a quarter tank left. We ride out of town. We fill up maybe 25 miles out of here. We should be able to make it all the way to Lusk. You call the hotel. Last time I stayed at this hotel, there was a couple that was butt-ass naked in their room. They purposely had the door open and the window open. They were trying to show off, I think.
In their defense, it was warm.
Colorado drivers are some of the rudest drivers ever.
That guy in the van is a fucking asshole! I stood up on the bike just to get a little wind, walked over into the other lane, I was clear. Then I jumped back down because stuff was coming to a stop, and homie wants to hit me in the back. So I pull over to the right, and then he swings his van into me. I pulled up next to him, and I probably said a few choice words. You're not very kind to do that.
Had a supporter that ran up.
No, it was cool. I mean, 2-lane life on the road, these people come up. They're like, hey, we follow you. That guy's a jerk.
Crazy. Every time I'm in Colorado, they actually hate you're a motorcycle rider. Nuts.
So we posted that last year when we came through here, and we had a lot of guys saying, well, you shouldn't ride like assholes.
Yeah.
But the reality is we're not riding like assholes. There's just sometimes people, I don't know, they just get angry.
Ready to buy some fireworks. I want stuff that blows up.
$225.
Right.
You can be riding.
What's up with this? It's kind of weird, not gonna lie.
What is that, bro?
Jesus Christ, dude.
They got a jousting firework, dude. With Army Man.
Dude, that's pretty sick.
All right, let's get one of these.
Gotta try
Grab one. Artillery shells.
This one or the Whistling Buster?
All right, full Whistling Buster then.
Which one's better?
That is the same shit. Shoots flaming balls. All right, bro. It wasn't that eventful, but we did cross state lines, so it's kind of like a must when we get to Wyoming.
Yeah, no, but this store was definitely had a lot more selection than the other store.
Let's get the fuck on the road. What's in Lusk that's so good? What do you want to do when you get there?
Well, I think you may have said it earlier. The first time we were there, there's some lady just kind of laid out.
All right, let's roll. Into the trip, we just made it to Lusk, Wyoming. We're pulling up to the old wagon, Best Western. We're gonna get settled in. What's up, guys? We're stoked you guys are enjoying these vlogs. We're 1,500 miles into our trip, almost to Sturgis. We've been rocking these new gloves, the Stars and Stripes, as well as the Speed Gloves. These things are dropping this Friday at 12 noon PST, thrashinsupply.com. Grab a set. Thanks for watching. Pulled into Lusk. We're starting to see a couple more bikes. We're gonna go head over to local pub, meet up with my pops, Galen, Josh. One dog. The pub, so you know what that means.
No, we're done. We're taking a break tonight.
No, no fucking breaks. Oh shit.
We'll wait for you guys.
Oh, they got 3 drinks and 3 shots and didn't include me or Juan.
You guys strolled up last time. We had shots for you.
Yeah. Wait, they showed up. We had drinks for them last night.
You had to get them. You had to get them.
Well, wait, this is the pub where friends meet.
Yeah.
So we'll be friends, we'll buy you a drink.
I'm down to just stay on tequila.
All right, boys.
Boom, 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 boom.
Good times, fellas.
This is the stressful part that people don't know, the behind the scenes of the vlog. We're working on the footage right now from the bar, and we're in a small town of Lusk, Wyoming. Barely any service to upload anything, whether we're trying on the cell phones, trying on the Wi-Fi locally, struggling. So we're gonna do our best to get this live for you guys tomorrow at 4 p.m., or I guess you'll be watching it already. Behind the scenes, we're at the bar, having drinks, computer at the table. Cheers. 2 more shots of tequila. The best tequila you got.
Whiskey over here.
We've had to drop from Patron to Jose Cuervo because we already sold the bar out of Patron. It is.
Is this apple juice?
This is from
Cheers, 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 cheers.
Good load.
Yeah, baby.
That's me. That's definitely.
Your sticker.
Cheeseburger, thank you.
real good. Chicken nuggets.
Unless warrior. Awesome, you just yeah, that would be amazing.
Gonna do a little Donny Osmond.
Kuhlhauser. Holy shit, Juan. Look at this fucking thing. Dive in. Bomb. We got to get back to the room and try to get footage over to the internet so we can get the vlog live, bro. Of course we'll make it happen. That's what we fucking do.
You gonna do it or what?
Yeah, let's go grab one.
All right.
Town's nice and quiet, and no one's gonna be stoked, but we're gonna light off a couple fireworks.
Shoot flaming balls. About to piss off some people.
Yeah, bro, we're in Wyoming. Of course it's legal. Go get the Army Man one. All right, this one, red, white, and blue. And the parachute Army Man comes flying down. Can we catch it? Oh, got you. All right, Army Man's supposed to shoot out. There he is, bro. There he is. Oh, I got him. And he's on fire. We just sent this dude up into orbit and I went and caught him. Day 3 is in the books. We made it all the way to Lusk, Wyoming, about 1,500 miles away from our houses. Juan, how you feeling?
Pretty excited to hit up Sturgis tomorrow. I'm ready to go.
You heard it right there. We're gonna make it to Sturgis tomorrow. We're only like 150 miles out, so we're gonna get some good rest. We're gonna rip to Sturgis, and we're gonna show you guys all the shenanigans that goes on there over the weekend. Let's have some fun. Thanks for watching.
See you later.